Hello parents, as promised, I'm showing you some homemade tools that I designed for Ivan and it's very super easy to make and सब कुछ मैंने घर पे बनाया है with the help of printer and scissor and some very small papers क्योंकि बच्चों को क्या होता है they need lot of repetition so हर बार वर्कशीट प्रिंट आउट करना पेपर वेस्ट करना is not a good thing. This is how I design and these are the resources I have designed for Ivan. So as you can see this is the shortest to smallest ascending order सिखाने के लिए है जिसमें I take print out of multiple things to teach him smallest to tallest ascending order. Then also I teach him smallest to biggest का कैसे उसको करना है जैसे स्मॉल कॉर्ड एंड स्मॉल बिग टू स्मॉल and then this is one activity that we do with farm animal and wild animal. So this is few of the cutouts that I have prepared and just he will come and stick जहाँ पे भी wild animal है and जहाँ पे भी farm animal है and these are the stickers that I have used. It's still work in progress but this is what I use for Ivan to help him to stick the things and it's very super easy. This is something I designed for him to teach him about the skip counting by 5 and we are using it too much so इसलिए आपको ये बहुत डर्टी डर्टी लग रहा होगा but this one tool I designed I think 5 months back क्योंकि इसमें अगर आप देख रहे हो there is a maze activity so you can see it also help for in certain ways to kids especially to autistic kids उनको काफ़ी कुछ space का समझ आता है इससे एंड काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें जो है बच्चे से सीखते हैं. So this is one of the thing counting by 5 to 100 and then this is also to make it more interesting I have used this choo-choo train like I tell him the story also it's a time for train to go skip count by 5 and write the missing numbers और थोड़ा सा इसको क्या किया है थोड़ा सा बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बनाया गया है सो यू कैन सी इट दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द डिज़ाइन एंड अब उसके बाद इफ़ यू कैन सी दिस इज़ अनदर वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड गुड टूल दैट इज़ मैच तो इसको आप देख सकते हैं हाउ आई हैव डन इट यू कैन सी इट इसको यहाँ पे वो स्टिक करता है एंड मिसिंग पीसेस को कनेक्ट करता है एंड दिस ऑल्सो हेल्प इन logics thinking and definitely it's very good for his brain. Then this is common worksheet that I used for the learning the length so just measure the flowers so it's simple worksheet and this tool I designed for him very very long back जब वो writing का practice कर रहा था so it's 0 1 2 3 so to make it little interesting what I did is that एक थोड़ा सा नीचे मैंने road बना दिया so that child is engaged and feel interesting to do it and Ivan ने इसको बहुत अच्छे से किया था so it's still there with me and if anyone want this they can DM me anyone living in Pune so I can share with them I will be happy to share. फिर इंग्लिश में we need to practice a lot long vowel short vowel तो ये इसके लिए मैंने ये डिज़ाइन किया था एक टूल then if you can see this glue करो he has to glue or stick this long U sound short U sound and then I have this long A versus short A then some more worksheets ठीक है then more number sequencing just sequence 1 2 3 these are the common mistakes that I share in group also and then ये आप देखो कार्डबोर्ड से बहुत ही सिंपल तरीके से बनाया गया है जो कि है आपका फाइन मोटर स्किल के लिए सो दिस देख लो इसमें ना कुछ खर्चा आया है ना कुछ आया है सिंपल थिंग्स वी मेड एंड डिजाइंड इट these two things very nice things I got from his school that I still use like my name is Ivan and my family, and I have still not used it, but yeah, this is also good that I'm going to use. This is also someone I got from his school. ये भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, especially with the comprehension. We can stick comprehension here, and we can just do the writing part here. So this is also one of the amazing tool. Yeah. Then something my son is right currently obsessed is with these planet stickers. So this ये भी मैंने प्रिंट आउट लेके अच्छे से इसको टेप लगा के अच्छे से बनाया है. So you can see he all the time what he's doing, वो align करता है planets को इस तरह से, and it's quite engaging for him, and he's engaged for a very long time using these planets, and he's very much obsessed with these planets. So yeah, ये एक planet जो है ये भी इवान जो है यूज़ करता है, and एक बार भी बनाया, and then we don't need to create the resources again and again. I know I'm not that creative in creating, but yes, I do it and it's good. Then right now my son is obsessed with clocks also. He is learning what seeing the time also. तो ये दो चीज़ें जो मैंने बनाई हैं clock, so he uses this. He will do, either he will go on my mobile and see what's the time, और फिर time match करता है जो भी time है, like 2:55 ऐसे he will set up 2:55, and then clock time यहाँ पे हम कई कई बार needle लगा के भी इधर sticking करते हैं, and that's how he is learning about the time. So this is also another important tool जो मैंने कहीं भी ऑनलाइन नहीं लिया है, घर के रिसोर्सेज से ही बनाई हैं ये चीज़ें, बट हाँ प्रिंटिंग इज़ इन्वॉल्व है एंड लिटिल बिट मटेरियल स्टेशनरी मटेरियल यूज़ किया हुआ है, बट यू कैन सी नो कम्स द इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. मैं आपको आई विल शो यू गाइस to build his social skills. So you can see this is something all our kids are obsessed with. So I utilized Cocomelon to teach him. There is a rhyme. Cocomelon का एक rhyme है जहाँ पे वो एक दूसरे को पूछते हैं what is your name and all that. So this is how I'm teaching him the social skills. Look, what is your name? My name is JJ. Hello, my name is Ivan. You can see how nicely I have designed. No, ये तो बहुत पहले डिज़ाइन किया गया था when he was 2.5 or 3, and but he used it और उसने बहुत सीखा यहाँ से. Can you see these are let all be friends. So I just took the screenshot and print out, and just teaching him let's play together, let's all be friends. So ये एक another important tool है that I designed for Ivan, and कुछ pages इसमें शायद अब मिस भी हो चुके हैं because Ivan ने इसको बहुत यूज़ किया है. Then comes the most important thing जो parents मुझे पूछते हैं, how I teach Ivan many things. जैसे Hi-Fi to Healthy Habits, ये these are the visuals I designed for him. Like I brush my teeth twice a day, and you can see बहुत गंदा हो गया है अभी ये because we have used it a lot. Like Hi-Fi to Healthy Habits, then we use the sharing etiquettes, then sharing is caring, although Ivan is still not in mood to do sharing, but yeah, even then I created, and we almost read this every day so that his brain slowly will learn, and one day I know he will learn the habit of sharing also. And ये थोड़ा सा कुछ good hygiene का, he is very good at good hygiene. He picked up all these good habits, but yeah, we are working on the sharing etiquettes. Okay, then another problem with the kids is sometimes with our neurodivergent kids is they don't tell us what happened in the school. They don't tell us certain things. So what I did, I just designed this. He's his friend. He's his friend and his mother. उसकी मम्मी है, उसके friend की मम्मी है, and tree, car. So whenever he comes home, I ask him, guess what I saw today? Then I asked him, Ivan, did you see the car? Did you see the Advik? Did you see the, your friends? What you did in school? What is Ivan doing here? What is this? Then I just ask random names like, where is your ma'am? Can you show me where is your ma'am? What is ma'am doing? So this is just to build up the conversation. Along with this, I also show him in the phone like their school pictures, or sometimes ma'am is sharing what Ivan is doing in the class. So I try to ask him what is happening here. If most of the time he will not tell me, but I tell him, can you tell me? I can see Ivan is helping his friend. So that's how I'm trying to build a conversation skill in him. Along with that, yeah, we do lot of comprehension also, like scenario based comprehension I ask. And the most important thing that we are doing at right now is asking him questions, yes or no. So that's very important. Then I'm not very sportive of the stars, giving star or rewards to kids. And frankly, Ivan don't understand also, like he don't understand हारना जीतना, तो उसको but I'm slowly teaching him, but ये वाला concept उसको अभी नहीं आया है. This is what next I'm going to do with Ivan. So I will show you one book also that I'm using to teach him that feeling कि हाँ, हारना जीतना भी एक emotion है. So if you want to know about like anything कि आपके कोई भी अभी issue चल रहा है, no, we are going to start the series, or I'm going to help you, because I'm getting requests from many people that they want to know the journey of Ivan, and they want to know everything, how I helped Ivan to overcome certain issues. So in comment section में आप लिखिए, I will share my resources and मैंने क्या किया, और सबसे important है कैसे किया, that also you need to know. But for today I have shared all the resources. आपको इसमें से कुछ भी question है, please comment में डालिए. I will try to help you. And these all resources are not perfect, इतने अच्छे नहीं बने हैं, but I know they are the best because मेरे बच्चे ने उसको बहुत यूज़ किया है and it has actually helped him. And in future also I will keep on sharing बहुत सारी चीज़ें मेरे पास शेयर करने के लिए. Almost it's 2.5 year journey with Ivan after his diagnosis. So I have a lot to share. So comment everything, whatever you feel about us, about our sharing, और क्या आपको help चाहिए हमसे. We will try to help you. Thank you.